Depreciation is not about the value of your asset dropping. That's the sentence nobody tells you in class. And once you see it properly, this whole topic gets easy. Here's why this matters to you. Depreciation shows up in your exam, in every trial balance, in every month-end close you will ever do. Get the idea wrong, and every entry after it feels like guessing. Get it right today, and you'll never be confused by it again. So picture a small delivery business with me. One van. That's all we need. You buy a delivery van for 6 lakh rupees. Cash goes out today. But here's the thing, is that 6 lakh an expense of this month? Think for a second. No. Because that van will earn you money for the next 5 years. Charging the whole cost to 1 month would make that month look terrible and the next 59 look brilliant. Both would be lies. So we spread the cost across the years the van actually works for us. That is depreciation. Not value falling, cost being shared. Same rule as rent, just stretched over years instead of 1 month. Let's put numbers on it. Cost 6 lakh. Useful life 5 years. Scrap value at the end 50,000. So the cost you actually consume is 5,50,000. Divide by 5 and your depreciation is 1,10,000 every year. That's the straight line method. Simple division, nothing clever. Notice what did not happen, nobody asked what the van would sell for today. Now the entry. This is where juniors freeze, so go slow with me. Debit Depreciation Expense, 1,10,000. Credit Accumulated Depreciation, 1,10,000. Notice something? We did not touch the van account. The van stays in your books at 6 lakh, forever. The accumulated depreciation sits beside it, growing every year, quietly reducing what the balance sheet shows. Cost minus accumulated depreciation, that is your book value. 2 sides again, and nothing left your bank today. And this is why it matters at work. In month-end close, depreciation is one of the standard journals that runs every single month, across every entity that owns fixed assets. Nobody recalculates it from scratch, it comes off a fixed asset register. Your job as a junior is usually to check the register agrees with the ledger. Now you know exactly what you are checking and why. So hold on to 3 things. Depreciation spreads a big cost over the years that benefit, it is not the market value falling. Straight line is cost minus scrap, divided by useful life. And the credit never goes to the asset, it goes to accumulated depreciation. 2 sides, always. If that made sense, you genuinely understand fixed assets better than most people in your batch. Tomorrow, open any balance sheet you can find and hunt for the accumulated depreciation line. Once you spot it in the wild, it sticks forever. You've got this. Next up, the reducing balance method, and why some assets refuse to depreciate in a straight line.